You're welcome to our lesson number 3, where we are going to look at how to add text and images in the pages. Remember, in our last lesson, we added pages to our site. Now, those pages must contain text and some graphics. So that's what we are going to look at in this section. So remember, our question is saying homepage should have a university motto for community transformation. It should also give a brief introduction about the university. Page 2 should show different courses offered. Give about 4 courses in an ordered list. So ordered list, I told you, it is our daily numbering system. That's 1, 2, 3 Hindu Arabic. Then page 3 should show different departments at the university, and they expect us to give at least 4 in an ordered list and with you. So that means that we are going to use the bullets and many others. So let's begin with the first one. So this is where we stopped. We have all the pages here. So in case you are going to add content and image into your page, you simply double click on that page to open it. For example, we are going to begin with the home page, and we want to add some content there. So double click to open it. So it is the home page which is open now. You can now switch back to design, because we are not going to deal with the coding now. Just design to look at the page alone. So this is how the page is going to be. Now they want a motto, but remember this motto we added it already. In case we did not add, you simply just come and add the motto from here, then you type it in. But remember, we already added. Now under content area is where we are going to type in something. So headline 2, you can have a simple heading: welcome to our home page. Welcome to our home page. Then since they wanted a motto is here. Then a brief introduction. So insert content here, remove it, and you give in the brief introduction, or you can begin by inserting the image. That's what we call the graphics. Now the image can be inserted from the file, the way I inserted the logo, you remember, or we can use a clip art, and in most cases they will want you to use a clip art. But when you look at here, we don't have clip art in this program. That means that we're going to use a clip art from either Word, PowerPoint, or any other programs. So it is very possible. So let's use a clip art from any program, and I'm going to use a clip art from the Word. So you need to open your Word program. After opening your Word program, simply insert your clip art in this Word. Then you copy it and bring it to your program here. Okay. So we all know how to insert clip art. Insert clip art. Then from search, we simply just click on go. It displays for us all the available clip art. Now I need to insert something to show like buildings. So when I click on that, I have my clip art here. Simply copy it, right click, copy, then we'll come and paste to our program where I want it to be. Like here, click once, then right click and paste. Okay, so you can see my clip art already existing here from Word. So what you do, you can resize it to any size that you want by clicking on it once, then you use this sizing handle. Okay, so that is the building of Gulu University. Then we need to add in some content, simple one. So that means that you are going to come and click around here, then press enter to create a paragraph where you are going to type in, and you can say Gulu University. Gulu University is found in northern Uganda, in Gulu City. Gulu City. Enough. You have introduced. That's enough. In case you have a lot to write, you type. But for examination purpose, don't type a lot unless you have been given what to type there. So we are done with our home page. So go ahead and save the changes. Okay. So since you are done with the home page, you can even close it. But remember, before we close it, the question again says when you come down here, make a marquee with an alternate behavior on the first page showing the university motto. So let us say this is our motto here, and we want to apply a marquee there. When you click on it now, you can see it is a P. That means that a paragraph. But we don't want it to be a paragraph, we want it to be a marquee, which is a M. It will give us there the word marquee. So what you do, you are going to say, first go back to split again, then select this, can you see, to take you where it is. Now since it is a paragraph, we don't want it to be a paragraph, we want it to be a marquee, and the paragraph is P. So simply just come here and remove this P and type the word marquee. Since the P was closed, you must also remove this one, and you type there marquee. Okay, so when you come back and click on it, it is no longer a P, it is a marquee. Now they are also telling us that this marquee, the behavior must be alternate. And how do we change the marquee properties? To change the marquee properties, after you have typed it there, you simply just come back here and double click on the text. So you can even first go back to your design view, then you double click on that text where the marquee is applied. So double click to display for you the marquee properties. Now under the properties you have scroll, slide, then alternate. Here they want us to apply alternate. Simply click on alternate. Then they may also specify for you the delay the speed. You come and do it there, then click on OK. So we are done with that. Save and you close. That's one of the page. Now we are going to the second page. The second page, they want us to have what? They want us to have courses offered. Give about 4 courses in an ordered list. So you come and open that page, courses, then under headline 2 you can even type there something small like a heading. We have here courses offered. Then in our content here you can say the following courses. We're just introducing the following courses are offered in Gulu University. to university. Press enter to create another paragraph. Then you list in some courses, but they have said ordered list, and I told you ordered list is this normal numbers, day-to-day numbers we always use. So we have them here, and this is the numbering. When you click on it, it will give you that one, and you list your courses. One may have computer science. Press enter. Two, we may have business administration. Three, we may have education. Four, we may have law. Okay, so after that, those are the four because they wanted four. So let us include some image there or graphics. So press, and if you want to leave the numbering, press again, enter key. So this is where we are going to include our image. Still, we can go back to our Word and you select any image from there, maybe this. Right click on it to copy, come back and paste. Okay, so you can play around with the size if you want. If you don't want, you leave it like that. Then save and close. We have this one, the departments. They also want us to list at least 4 departments, so we can type there departments. So under here, so it is your choice to either begin with the image or end with image. So let me begin with the image, but this time let me now insert from the file. So insert picture. Okay, then let me insert, maybe campus has always come with the vehicles. Okay, then press enter to list those departments. Now the departments, they want an order, that is a bullets here. So you will have Department of Science. Departments, we have Humanity. We have Departments of Science. We have Department of Law. We have Department of Medicine. We have Business and many others. Okay, so after that, simply just save all. Okay, and you close. So you do that for all these remaining pages, and everything will be okay. So I think that's the end of our lesson number 3. We have looked at how to add the text and images in our pages. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next lesson.